हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल प्रो टिप्स। अगर आप लोग मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना तो बिल्कुल ना भूलें, क्योंकि आज हम लोग करेंगे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज ऑफ क्लास अर्थ सिविक्स चैप्टर अर्थ कन्फ्रंटिंग मार्जिनलाइजेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट डज मार्जिनलाइजेशन मीन? ऑप्शन ए, प्रिविलिंग certain communities. Option B, being pushed to the periphery or sidelined. Option C, including everyone in decision making. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, being pushed to the periphery or sidelined. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a reason for marginalization? Option A, economic inequality. Option B, social discrimination. Option C, lack of effort by the marginalized group. Option D, religious differences. The correct answer is option C, lack of effort by marginalized groups. Question number 3. What is the significance of Constitution in addressing marginalization? Option A, it guarantees rights to only privileged groups. Option B, it guarantees fundamental rights to all citizens. Option C, it prioritizes economic development over social equality. Option D, it provides reservation for economically strong groups. The correct answer is option B. It guarantees fundamental rights to all citizens. Question number 4. Which article in the Indian Constitution prohibits discrimination on the grounds of religion, caste, gender, etc.? Option A, Article 14. Option B, Article 15. Option C, Article 17. Option D, Article 21. The correct answer is option B, Article 15. Question number 5. What is the main aim of reservations in education and jobs? Option A, to divide society. Option B, to empower marginalized communities. Option C, to benefit the wealth. Option D, to ensure profits. The correct answer is option B, to empower marginalized communities. Question number 6. What does Article 17 of the Indian Constitution abolish? Option A, slavery. Option B, untouchability. Option C, caste. Option D, child labor. The correct answer is option B, untouchability. Question number 7. What is the primary purpose of laws enacted to protect marginalized communities? Option A, to maintain the status quo. Option B, to uplift and ensure equal opportunities. Option C, to ignore their problems. Option D, to restrict their participation. The correct answer is option B, to uplift and ensure equal opportunities. Question number 8. Which of the following communities is not considered marginalized in India? Option A, scheduled caste. Option B, scheduled tribes. Option C, dominant upper caste. Option D, other backward classes. The correct answer is option C, dominant upper caste. Question number 9. Which body works to protect the rights of marginalized communities? Option A, National Human Rights Commission. Option B, Reserve Bank of India. Option C, Election Commission of India. Option D, Ministry of Defense. The correct answer is option A, National Human Rights Commission. Question number 10. What does the term Dalit refers to? Option A, landowners. Option B, oppressed groups. Option C, traders. Option D, kings. The correct answer is option B, oppressed groups. Question number 11. How can marginalized group confront discrimination? Option A, by isolating themselves. Option B, by challenging law and system of exclusion. Option C, by avoiding interaction with society. Option D, by accepting discrimination as inevitable. The correct answer is option B, by challenging laws and system of exclusion. Question number 12. Which of the following safeguards were implanted in the Constitution to protect minorities? Option A, religious freedom. Option B, cultural rights. Option C, educational rights. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 13. What is the Mandel Commission primarily known for? Option A, abolishing untouchability. Option B, recommending reservations for OBCs. Option C, proposing economic reforms. Option D, promoting privatization. The correct answer is option B, recommending reservations for OBCs. Question number 14. The term affirmative action refers to option A, punishing privileged communities. Option B, taking positive steps to promote equality. Option C, ignoring marginalized groups. Option D, removing the idea of equality. The correct answer is option B, taking positive steps to promote equality. Question number 15. What percentage of seats in educational institutions are reserved for scheduled caste in India? Option A 7%, option B 15%, option C 27%, option D 10%. The correct answer is option B 15%. Question number 16. Which of the following is a key right of minorities under the Constitution? Option A, right to establish and administer educational institutions. Option B, right to vote twice. Option C, right to override laws. Option D, none of above. The correct answer is option A, right to establish and administer educational institution. Question number 17. What role does the judiciary play in protecting marginalized group? Option A, enforces law. Option B, strikes down discriminatory practices. Option C, provides justice. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 18. The Forest Rights Act of 2006 protects the right of which community? Option A scheduled caste, option B scheduled tribes, option C urban poor, option D women. The correct answer is option B scheduled tribes. Question number 19. What does Article 21 guarantee? Option A right to equality, option B right to freedom of religion, option C right to life and personal liberty, option D right against exploitation. The correct answer is option C right to life and personal liberty. Question number 20. Which of the following is a reason why tribal communities are marginalized? Option A land alienation, option B forced displacement, option C lack of education, option D all of above. The correct answer is option D all of above. आप लोग मुझे सपोर्ट करने के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और कमेंट करके बताएं कि आप लोगों के कितने आंसर सही होते हैं और आप लोगों को क्या बहुत हेल्प मिलती है इससे। अब आगे बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. Which act ensures the protection of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes from atrocities? Option A Forest Right Act, option B Protection of Civil Rights Act, option C SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act, option D National Minorities Act. The correct answer is option C SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act. Question number 22. What is the primary caste of Dalits facing exclusion in India? Option A caste system, option B lack of natural resources, option C geographical barriers, option D political instability. Correct answer is option A caste system. Question number 23. What does the term secularism mean in the Indian Constitution? Option A promoting one religion, option B equality to all religions, option C abolishing all religions, option D none of above. The correct answer is option B equality to all religions. Question number 24. Which government scheme aim to empower marginalized group through skill development? Option A Skill India Mission, option B Swachh Bharat Mission, option C Ujjwala Yojana, option D Ayushman Bharat. The correct answer is option A Skill India Mission. Question number 25. What does preservation aim to address? Option A historical injustice, option B economic inequality, option C social discrimination, option D all of above. The correct answer is option D all of above. Question number 26. Which of the following is an example of a fundamental right? Option A right to vote, option B right to education, option C right to equality, option D both B and C. The correct answer is option D both B and C. Question number 27. Who can file a complaint under the SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act? Option A only scheduled caste, option B only scheduled tribes, option C both CS, SC and ST, Option D, any Indian citizen. The correct answer is both scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. The correct answer is 28. What is one way marginalized group seek justice? Option A, filing public interest litigations. Option B, avoiding legal measures. Option C, ignoring discrimination. Option D, depending on charity. The correct answer is filing public interest litigations. PILS. Question number 29. Which community has benefited significantly from the reservation system? Option A, upper caste. Option B, economically weaker sections of SC/ST. Option C, urban populations. Option D, none of above. The correct answer is option B, economically weaker sections of SC and ST. Question number 30. What is the role of education in confronting marginalization? Option A, it helps maintain inequalities. Option B, it empowers marginalized groups to demand their rights. Option C, it increases discrimination. Option D, it only benefits privileged group. The correct answer is option B. It empowers marginalized groups to demand their rights. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियोस। मुझे लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय बाय।